I think I sent a little too hard this time, gang. Oh no. Hey man, let me tell y'all something. Stuff like this can be replaced, gang. I ain't even mad, man. I ain't even mad at it. Back in the day, if something like this would have happened and I would have put some money into a car and have to spend it all over again, I would have been highly upset, highly pissed. But it's just materialistic stuff, man. Things happen. I didn't get hurt. Airbags did not deploy. The car is not damaged as far as the body. My crank pulley can use some attention though. As you guys can see, it's laying on the ground, so. And sorry for how this video is probably turning out. I am recording from my phone. My camera is at the house. I was gonna bring you guys some content on this 92 Procharged Mustang later on today, but didn't get a chance to do it. So basically, when I was in boost, crank pulley went, twisted off in the shaft, as you guys can see. And down here, just snapped completely off. Busted my coolant hose. Busted the radiator in the front. See the damage down there at the bottom. And I'm in belief that the car sits low enough that where my sway bar in the front that you guys can see right there pushed it over to the side, and it caught both of my driver's side tires. So I ran that pulley over going about 45, 50 mile an hour, guys. And like I said, I held it in the road, man. You always got to pay attention to detail, because stuff do happen. So I was able to maintain control of the car because it was trying to take me over there. I was able to maintain control and come up in here. But yep, ripped both my serpentine belt and my Procharger belt off. But it didn't do any substantial damage up underneath the car. Like, everything underneath the car is fine. Like I said, I'm thankful for the car sitting as low as it do sit, because my sway bar pushed that pulley over to the driver's side and I just basically ran it over. Now, this wouldn't have been an ideal thing on the highway if I'm going about 100 now. Like I said, I got lucky this time that I didn't do any damage up underneath the car, but I would have wanted that joker to go underneath the car if I was on the highway. So this is ideal for this situation. I need to replace the crank pulley, the crank. I don't think anything with the engine is hurt, but we'll do a full diagnosis on that when I get it back to the house. The tow truck is on the way. But this right here is telling me I need to just go with the dart block setup so I can eliminate any of these issues in the near future with me shooting pistons out the roof of the car or stuff like this going. Because 12 pounds of boost up on a stock 302, guys, I mean, it's bound to happen at any time. And I only had this car out ever since it got Procharged for a week. But here's my wife. She's pulling up to pick me up. Tow truck's on the way. I'm going to the house. Not gonna lose no sleep over it. Gang, keep y'all head up when stuff like this happen. Don't let it make or break you. It's all materialistic. It can be replaced. It just takes time. That's it. And we got nothing but time. Two-time Moto TV out, man. I'll give you guys an update very soon. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Until next time, peace out.